Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to find and replace whole words only in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we want to find and replace whole words in this document. Go to the home menu and click replace option. Then write something, find word box, then write replace with box. Then click replace all and again click OK. Then close the window. Now we can see the two word is replaced 10. We try some another words in this process. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.